One of the best little rides to do if you're in Bartlesville is to Pawhuska and back. Nice little back roads. Osage Hill State Park is back there. And, you know, we've got places to eat and coffee and whatnot. So let's take the 300X and let's go to Pawhuska. 88 watts, looking good. That should be good for 75 miles or so. 85-degree day, perfect conditions. Let's go get a coffee. Yeah. If you are gonna ride to Pawhuska, Oklahoma, there's a few places you should go. Of course, everyone knows about the Mercantile, but there's also the Ben Johnson Museum. It's a cowboy museum that's really cool. A little pricey, but it's really cool. Check that out. It is. If you take a left right at the Mercantile, head straight down, you'll find this gnarly bridge. One of the oldest bridges in Oklahoma. If you're scared of heights or you don't like rickety stuff. I, however, love to pretend that I'm in Indiana Jones. And of course, there's the Mercantile. But Mercantile food's pretty good, the pizza place is pretty good, but the most unappreciated thing about this town is Mercantile coffee. If you've never been to the Mercantile, you have to go upstairs to get to the coffee. Pawhuska also has this awesome courthouse. Up these steps, you can run it like Rocky Balboa if you wanted to. Steps down that way take you downtown. You can walk downtown, take out all the shopping and whatnot. Hopefully there's enough juice in my GoPro. Now we're gonna go a back road back. If you've never taken the Okesa way, I highly recommend it. I'm gonna do it myself. I'm at 77 volts. Shouldn't be a problem. I just hope my GoPro will give me some shots here. I truly hope my GoPro caught that Okesa Road. If you're in northeast Oklahoma on a motorcycle, you've got to find that road just outside of Pawhuska, or right in Pawhuska really. Take the Okesa Road back. You will bypass Osage Hill State Park, but other than that, totally worth it. That is my favorite style of riding, between 55, 65 miles an hour. Beautiful turns, lonely back road, beautiful, freaking beautiful. That was awesome. Next time I'll stop at Osage, because that's worth the stop also. Woo! To Pawhuska and back the long way.